Yo, so we're in Bangboa and I just think I found the ghetto of the jungle, man. Like, have a look at this, look, there we look, bungalows everywhere. That's behind me, that's setting. I mean, I'm scared to carry my watermelon shake around here, man. The monkeys will take that off you straight away. Especially around here. Look, there we look, pool. Beautiful though, isn't it? Probably used to be a resort, but I mean, I don't read Thai, but I know that says do not enter. There's some in the back as well, I don't know if you can see them, but I'm not entering. Cute little puppy there. Yeah, boy. Hey, he's a little boy. Oh, they're adorable. 3 of them. Hello. See, I mean, there's just loads of abandoned bungalows.